friends, today I'll show you how I achieve 2 hairstyles with the Jumbo Braid Ponytail. You're going to need 1 pack of braiding hair. I chose a 2-tone to match my current color. Next I'm going to detangle and show you how I get all of this into one ponytail. I apply gel around the whole perimeter of my head. And now that I have it in a nice sleek ponytail, I'm going to spray it with some water to give it a little moisture. Then I use the dimming brush to detangle so that my hair lays nice and flat. Then I braid the ends of my hair and wrap it around to form a nice tight bun. I take some edge control and lay my edges down and tie them down with a scarf. Now I have to open and prep the hair. While holding the hair tight with one hand, I'm going to use the other to pull down small sections of hair so that the hair is uneven. Then you want to brush the hair through one more time. You want the ends to look something like this. You can use the rubber band that comes with the hair already on it, but for my hair I'm going to apply a stronger hair tie. Use the hair tie loop to secure it around the bun. You want to start your braid on the opposite side that you would like it so that you can flip it to cover the bun. I would like mine to be on the right side, so I'm going to start braiding it on the left. I leave a little out on the end and secure it with a rubber band to curl it later. Starting at the bottom, I pull on each side of the braid to loosen it up so that the top part will cover my bun. Next, I take the braid, flip it over to cover the bun. Now all I do is flip the braid over and adjust the top so that my bun does not show underneath. Now that I have it adjusted to my liking, I secure it in place with 2 bobby pins. I would like a curl at the end. In order to do this, I take my flexi rod and dip it in boiling hot water. I finish it off with some gold hair accessories, and that's it. There you have my jumbo side braid ponytail. For hairstyle number 2, all I do is simply take the braid and wrap it around and secure underneath with a bobby pin. Adjust my gold accessories. Now I go from a side braid to a cute little updo. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you won't miss my next video. See you on the next one. Bye!